Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some nice conditions out there this morning with some breezy winds. Picked up the last hour or so. We do have wind advisory out currently for winds greater than 25 knots. And continue to see those winds gusty throughout the late morning into the afternoon hours before they calm down this evening. We'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies today. Temperatures are rising into the upper to mid 70s with low humidity values, so a very nice way to end the work week. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 10,000 feet. Our winds are stronger throughout the column than we have been seeing previously this week. We see a west-northwesterly wind around 25 to 30 knots in the low levels. Then we see a southwesterly wind above 6,000 feet and increasing with height, seeing a peak wind this morning at 94 knots at 25,000 feet. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have an area high pressure building in from the Ohio and Tennessee valleys into the Mid-Atlantic region. Have an area low pressure across eastern Canada. And between those two, we have a tighter pressure gradient across the Mid-Atlantic region. That is providing us with these breezier winds this morning and will allow for us to continue with the wind advisory through the early afternoon hours. Looking at our current visible imagery across the region, you can see we have some lower level cloud cover around 3,000 to 6,000 feet in the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. We have some high level cloud cover off the coast. That's providing us with mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions this morning. We have some upper level cirrus cloudiness as well as a complex of showers and thunderstorms currently moving through Wisconsin. And these upper level clouds will move through the region by tomorrow morning. But overall, we'll have a very nice day today, as I mentioned, with VFR conditions expected for the Wallops region. Looking at our current radar, across the eastern portion of the United States, we have a little bit of rain shower activity across the northeast states as well as across, as I mentioned, the Great Lakes and the Plain states. We're going to see our weather with no precipitation in the forecast, with just these showers moving out of the region that are currently across the northern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. Looking at our prog charts or our model charts in the next few days, here's our Friday afternoon to evening forecast. You can see high pressure in control. We'll have lighter winds this afternoon into the evening hours, as we'll have this area high pressure building over the Wallops region. And move into the overnight time period, we'll see fairly nice conditions once again. There's lower dew points today. We'll see a southerly wind build for the overnight hours, so that should allow for our humidity values to increase slightly. But overall, we'll just see a very nice and comfortable evening into the overnight time period with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s tonight. And then continuing on for Saturday, we'll see that southerly flow around this area high pressure off the southeast coast and allow for us to have warmer conditions for our Saturday in the 80s with slightly breezy winds. Should be a very nice day for the air show. And then Sunday, we'll have a approaching upper level disturbance moving off to our north, as well as another upper level disturbance moving towards the area from the west, while this area high pressure off the southeast coast remains in control. So looking like a hot day on Sunday, southwesterly flow at the surface, allow for those temperatures to get up in the upper 80s across the region. And then we'll have these showers and thunderstorms starting to approach the northern Mid-Atlantic and western Mid-Atlantic by Sunday evening. And looks like the thunderstorms should remain north of the Wallops region. Possibly could see them as far south as Salisbury Sunday night into Monday, but overall looks like those chances are fairly slim here at Wallops. And then into Monday, we'll see another chance of some showers and thunderstorms. We'll have a parade of upper level disturbances moving towards the region from the west throughout next week, and that'll provide us with daily chances of showers and thunderstorms. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have those winds gusting up to 27 knots this morning, so we have a red condition for our winds greater than or equal to 25 knots. And then for the afternoon hours, we'll see a wind gust around 26 knots possible, northwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots sustained. High today at 78 degrees, low tonight at 59, so very comfortable night. And we'll see those southwesterly winds pick up by tomorrow morning at 7 to 12 knots. We'll have green chart across the board other than the winds today. Our 24-hour terminal forecast expecting VFR conditions throughout the next 24 hours with just an increase of upper level cirrus cloudiness by tomorrow morning. Our tides are normal, and looking at the weekend, we'll see Mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, seasonable temperatures, and breezy conditions for Saturday. We'll have a high of 81 degrees. We'll have a yellow for our winds gusting near that 25 knot criteria. And for Saturday night, we'll have partly cloudy skies and mild conditions, a low of 69 degrees. And for Sunday, we'll have partly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and warm temperatures, a high of 86 degrees. We'll have a yellow for our winds gusting near 25 knots. And looking the next 7 days, we'll have a dry forecast for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Mostly sunny today and tomorrow. Highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Breezier on Saturday. Afternoon out of the south, and we'll have that northwesterly wind today, so more humid tomorrow. And then Sunday, we'll see that humidity really start to build in as that southerly to southwesterly wind pumps in the humidity across the region. A slight chance of thunderstorms late Sunday into Monday here at Wallops, most likely to the north of the region. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday looks like we'll have showers and thunderstorms across the region during the afternoon, evening hours. Monday looks like the least likely day to see those thunderstorms. High of 90 degrees on Monday, so it will be hot and humid on Tuesday as well at 89 degrees. And Tuesday looks like a good bet for some showers and thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon, evening hours. And then Wednesday, continuing on with that parade of short waves or parade of upper level disturbances moving through the Mid-Atlantic region for the middle portion of next week with a 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Looking like some of those storms could be strong on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then Thursday we'll have another cold front moving through during the evening hours, and that could provide us with, once again, some showers and thunderstorms. A 60% chance on Thursday. The timing of that front still is in question at this time, as we're still 7 days out from that cold front passing, but looks like we'll be slightly warmer on Thursday compared to Wednesday, 84 degrees. Looking for the rock-on launch, it looks like this timing of the short waves moving through the region could play out well for our weather Thursday morning, but we're still quite a ways out from that occurring, so those short waves could be different time than they are forecasted right now moving through the region, and that would provide us with different weather for our Thursday morning. But right now it does look fairly good, and we'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. I hope everybody has a great weekend.